Hello guys, welcome to RB classes. Today we will learn part 4 of turning force. In this we will solve the numericals only. Okay. Our first question, the perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and the fulcrum is 1.5 meter. When a force of 70 Newton acts on a rigid body, calculate the moment of force. Here force is given 70 Newton and moment arm is given 1.5 meter. We have to find moment of force. Already I told moment of force can also be written as tau, TAU. Here see in moment of force in bracket tau symbol is. The formula of moment of force is F into D, means force into momentum. So moment of force equal 70 Newton into 1.5 meter equals 105 Newton meter. So moment of force equal to 105 Newton meter. Okay, distance between the point of application of force and fulcrum is 1.5, means moment of force is this, and force already given. We have to find moment of force. We will apply the formula, and formula is moment of force equal force into momentum. I hope you understand the first one. Now second, calculate the force which will produce a moment of force of 20 Newton meter when the perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and the turning point is 20 centimeter. In this, moment of force is given and momentum is given. And you see, momentum is in centimeter. So we have to convert in meter. So for converting centimeter to meter, we will divide by 100. So 20 divided by 100 equals 0.2 meter, and force we have to find. We will apply the same formula. Moment of force equal force into momentum. We will keep the values. Momentum equals 20 Newton meter. So moment of force where written we will write in just below 20 Newton meter equals F, we will write like that only, and in downward of movement arm we will write 0.2 meter, and then 0.2 meter will be go to the left side, and we will divide then force equal 20 Newton meter upon 0.2 meter, it will be 100 Newton. How? 0.2 we can multiply up and down both by 10. We will multiply numerator and denominator by 10, then it will be 200 and 2, then 100. Force to be applied is 100 Newton. Okay, distance between point of application of force and turning point is 20 centimeter. So we will convert it first into meter. Here is the half solution of that only, that 100 Newton, F into 0.2 meter, then F will be here and equal to 20 Newton meter upon 0.2 meter equals 100 Newton. Force applied 100 Newton only. Okay, then third one, a person using a 30 centimeter long handled spanner can open a nut by applying a 150 Newton force. What should be the length of the handle if he wants to open the nut by applying a force of 90 Newton? We will take first one. Force is 150 Newton and momentum 30 centimeter. We will convert it in meter, divide by 100, 0.3 meter. Okay, then moment of force equal force into momentum. We will multiply both. 150 into 0.3, it will be 45 Newton meter. This is first case. And in second case, force is given 19 Newton. Momentum is not given, but here we found moment of force equal 45 Newton meter. We will take that only. Moment of force equal 45 Newton meter. Okay. Then by using formula, moment of force equal F into D, means force into momentum. Then moment of force is 45 Newton meter and force is 19 Newton. We will divide, then it will be 0.5 meter. So this is given in meter. If you want, you can leave, or if you want to convert it, then you can convert in centimeter, or you convert only in centimeter. Okay, 0.5, for converting meter to centimeter we will multiply by 100, so it will be 15 centimeter. So a handle of 50 centimeter is required to open the nut. Okay, then fourth one, diagram given below shows uniform meter weighing 100 gram. Here is a diagram. Okay, so pivoted at O, two weight 150 gram force and 250 gram force are hung from meter rule as shown. Okay, here you see the distance from O to left is 40 centimeter, 150 GF, and from right side, in right side 20 centimeter, 250 GF. So what we have to calculate first, clockwise movement about O. Okay, clockwise movement about O. So force is clockwise, means which one we will take, 251, this right side. Okay, for clockwise force is 250 GF and momentum is 20 centimeter. We will not convert because both are in CGS only. So total clockwise movement about O is force into momentum, or you can take moment of force, but we have to calculate clockwise movement, I think. Yes, we have to calculate total clockwise movement, so we will take that only. Formula is same, force into momentum. We will multiply both, 250 into 20, we will get 5000 gram force centimeter. Okay, now what is the second question, total anti-clockwise movement about O. Now anti-clockwise we will take left side, same thing we will do. We will multiply 150 into 40, we will get 6000 gram force. See, we got 6000 gram force for clockwise movement also. Anti-clockwise means 6000 gram force. Okay, now difference of anti-clockwise and clockwise. So nothing we have to do. Which one is greater we will write first, or here given only difference of anti-clockwise and clockwise. We will subtract 6000 and 5000, means difference of anti-clockwise movement and clockwise movement equal 6000 gram for centimeter minus 5000 gram for centimeter. We will get 1000 gram for centimeter. Okay, and distance from O where 100 gram force weight should be placed to balance the meter rule. Okay, and to balance the meter rule, 100 gram force weight is placed on right hand side. Okay, 100 gram force. So moment of force equal what we got, 1000 gram for centimeter, and force is given 100 gram force. We will calculate momentum. So we will write moment of force equal force into momentum. 100 gram for centimeter equals 100 gram force into D. Then D equals 1000 gram force centimeter upon 100 gram force. We will get 10 centimeter. Then what will be moment arm? 10 centimeter. So 100 gram force weight should be placed 10 centimeter on the right of O to balance meter rule. Okay. Fifth question. A 50 kg boy sits 1.2 meter from the fulcrum of a seesaw. Where should another boy of 40 kg sit on the other side in order to balance it? So here is the diagram. From fulcrum to left side we will take the distance x. Okay, moment arm x, and we will but Newton I am telling, force is given 40 kilogram force. Okay, and if in right side 1.2 meter means movement or arm is given and force is given 50 kilogram force. So first we will calculate and clockwise, then we will calculate anti-clockwise, and both will be equal. Then we will get the value of x, and that will be, and then it will balance. See how. Total clockwise movement equals, we know, force into moment arm 50 kgf into 1.2 meter. So it will be 60 kilogram force meter. And to balance it, other boy of 40 kg sit on left side at a distance x. I told you already, we will take the distance x. Then anti-clockwise movement, again force into momentum, then it will be 40x kilogram force. Okay, now we will apply principle of movement. According to principle of movement, clockwise movement equals anti-clockwise movement. We studied also. Okay, clockwise movement equals anti-clockwise movement. So 60 kilogram force meter equals 40x kilogram force. X equals 60 upon 40, 1.5 meter, because kilogram force cancel on and only meter is left. So other boy of 40 kg should sit 1.5 meter from fulcrum on the left hand side to balance the seesaw. Okay. A uniform meter scale is balanced at 60 centimeter mark when weight of 5 gf gram force and 40 gram force are suspended at 10 centimeter mark and 80 centimeter mark respectively. Weight of meter is what? We have to calculate weight of meter. So in this, the scale is balanced at 60 centimeter. Okay, then at 10 centimeter 5 gram force, so 10 5 gram force, and from fulcrum what 40 gram force at 80 centimeter. Okay, so from 60 to 80 20 centimeter distance, and from 60 to 10 50 centimeter, and we will take the middle one. Middle is 50, so weight is W acting. Okay, see here 50, and distance between 60 and 50 is 10. As the meter scale is uniform, it weight acts at 50 centimeter. Why? Because meter scale is uniform, that's why weight acts at 50 centimeter. Okay, taking movements about 60 centimeter mark. Movement in clockwise direction, what will be? 40 gram force into 20 centimeter, 800 gram for centimeter. And movement in anti-clockwise, see this both W and 5 gram force both are in anti-clockwise, then we will add both. Okay, first what we will do, W into 10 in bracket plus 5 gram force into 50 centimeter. Then it will be 10 W plus 250 gram force centimeter. And according to principle of movement, we know clockwise movement equals anti-clockwise movement. 10 W plus, we will not write. Why? Because clockwise movement is 800 and anti-clockwise movement is 10 W plus 250. In this written that 10 W plus 250 equals 800. This is not a right way. Okay. 800 equals 10 W plus 250. Then 800, what we will do for that, in exchange of 800 we will do 10 W is in right side, we will take that in left side, it will be minus 10 W, and 800 is in plus, we will take it right side, it will be minus 800. Then we will get minus 10 W equals 5 minus 550. Minus minus will cancel. Okay, then W equals 550 upon 10. We will cancel 0 and 0 equals 55 gram force. Weight of meter scale is 50 gram 5. Or you can write in this way also. 10 W plus 250 equals 800. Then 250 will be in right side. We will subtract 800 minus 250. Then it will be 550. We will divide 550 by 10. It will be 55 gram force. That this way also and that way also. You can do anyway. Okay. Then seventh one. On a seashore, two children of mass 25 kg and 50 kg are sitting on one side of its distance 2.0 and 1.5 meter respectively from its middle. Where should a man of mass 75 kg sit to balance it? Two masses is 25 kg and 50 kg. One is sitting at 2 meter distance. 25 kg is sitting 2 meter distance and 50 kg is sitting from fulcrum 1.5 meter. So what we will do? Anti-clockwise movement is here. We will multiply 25 into 2 plus 50 into 1.5 meter. Okay, then we will add 50 plus 75. It will be 125 kilogram force meter. And to balance, the man of mass 75 kg must sit on not left hand side. It should be sit on right hand side of the seashore to produce anti-clockwise and to produce clockwise movement. And clockwise movement equals, we will take the distance as x because we don't know the distance, only we know the force. We will multiply both to find anti-clockwise movement. It will be 75 into x, 75x kilogram force. And by principle of movement, according to principle of movement, clockwise movement equal anti-clockwise movement. 75x kilogram force equal 125 kilogram force meter. X equal 125 kilogram force meter upon 75 kilogram force. It will be 1.67 meter. It will be 1.67 meter after dividing. Therefore, the man should sit at 1.67 meter from the middle on the other side of the seashore to balance it or to balance the scale. To balance the seashore. Okay. I hope you understood this. See here. Therefore, the man should sit at 1.67 meter from the middle on the other side of the seashore to balance it. Here we divide also 125 by 75. It is 1.67 meter. Now, eighth and the last. Two opposite and parallel forces each of magnitude 3n, act as a couple at two ends of a uniform rod of length 1 meter, freely pivoted at its center. Draw the diagram of the arrangement and determine the total moment of couple. Only one question we got of couple. Okay, yeah, okay. So you understand this one. Two opposite and parallel forces. See, two opposite means A and B. A is acting upward, B is acting downward. Each of magnitude 3 Newton. A is 3 Newton and B is also 3 Newton, because both are force and these both are equal here given also. Two opposite and parallel forces each of magnitude means both are 3 Newton, act as a couple at two ends of uniform rod and length between A and B is 1 meter, freely pivoted at its center. We have to draw the diagram is given also. Nothing we have to do, this is very easy question. Forces 3 Newton, couple arm is 1 Newton because two ends of uniform rod of length 1 meter, freely pivoted at its center. Length between A and B is 1 meter, so couple arm is 1 meter, and by using formula moment of couple equals force into couple arm, then 3 Newton into 1 meter equals 3 Newton meter. So moment of couple is 3 Newton meter. Moment of couple is 3 Newton meter. I hope whatever the numericals today I taught you, you understood. Please subscribe the channel, share it, comment it. Thank you.